Civil Judge Senior Division Imphal West ruled Managing Directors of MSPDCL and MSPCL and Deputy General of MSPDCL to pay a sum of Rs 13.82 lakh as compensation to a victim in connection to the death of a person who died due to electrocution. Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) registered an FIR to probe alleged irregularities of Civil Services Main Examination of 2016 conducted by MPSC yesterday. CBI has registered the case against unidentified officials of Manipur Public Service Commission following the order of Manipur High Court to investigate into alleged irregularities, lapses, manipulation of marks, etc. in the main examination 2016 conducted by MPSC for recruitment to various posts and to take appropriate action thereafter in accordance with law on October 18, 2019. The second edition of Baby League 2020 was kicked off at Tahau Ground in Manipur's Ukhrul district the previous day. The league aims at developing football at the grassroots level and provide an opportunity to budding talents to play and learn football. Former Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly Pranab Gogoi passed away last night at the Health City Hospital in Guwahati. According to a report, Gogoi was ailing for quite some time and was admitted to the hospital last noon. He was 84. Meghalaya Cabinet is meeting at Jowai today as a part of State Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's Noble Initiative on Cabinet on the Move. According to sources, it is an effort to maintain better connection with the masses. The Nagaland Congress said if the final Naga political solution is not implemented soon, then it may start civil disobedience movement in the state. As per media reports, Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Theri said this in a press conference in Dimapur. On the day, Kerala reported a third case of the novel coronavirus and declared the outbreak as a state calamity. The central government set up a group of ministers to monitor measures taken across the country to prevent the virus from spreading further, according to a report.